So today I am making a truck driving through a forest. So I made this embed. It's the backside of a truck. I'm going to create a stamp, so hopefully it'll give the truck some definition. And then this series of trees, hoping, like, I made them smaller, and I'm hoping that it'll look at, basically gives it some perspective. That's what I'm going for. So I said I made extruder discs for those two sets and extruded those the other day, so they are all set to go. And now to pour the batch and see what we get. So I'm going to try and pour. We'll see how successful this is. But I'm going to try and pour so it's like half snow that the trees are in and half brown that the car is going to be riding on. And I stick blended this so that it's getting thick because I want it to set up, which is making pouring this interesting. Oh shoot, I forgot there's a space under this. I'm gonna have to put some blue. Okay, let me go make the blue and then totally forgot about that. Well, I can put the tree in. So I did a kind of dark blue by mixing a blue and some black. And then as you can see, I have all these white shredded soap bits. So I added it in because it's going to be a snowy night. Now let's just pour a little bit. Now I can put the truck in. Okay. So I should be good. I don't think I should have any air gaps. Okay. What we have, a whole lot of air bubbles. I knew I was gonna get some, so that's no surprise. Well, it's not awful. Like, it's kind of better than what I was expecting. Like, I really didn't think this would work too well. So I Yes, around the tree there are going to be some air gaps. Oops, that one didn't make it down. I was really expecting to have more problems, so again, like I said, I know the trees are going to have some air gaps between them. Oops, this one's driving off the road. I made a stamp. So you can see that we'll put a definition on the back of the truck, which I think might help it a little. I'm still not 100% sold that it will. I'll try some and see. But I mean, it looks like a car on the road with a Christmas tree in the back, I think. So I take that as a win, I guess. This was such a pain to put together. It looked deceptively easy, but it was harder than I anticipated. But I think it's cute. I think it looks like a car driving in the night with a Christmas tree. So I gotta stop being so hard on myself. Well, let me know what you think. Do you like it? Just a little bit of eco-friendly glitter. I think it's cute. I think it captures the spirit I was going for, even if it's not completely perfect. So there you have it. Another holiday soap. A car driving off in a snowy night. So I created a stamp for the back of the car to hopefully give it a little bit more definition and, I don't know, just make it stand out a little bit more. If I were doing this again, I would have painted the top of this piece black and then put the tree on, because I think it would have kind of given it a bit of an outline, but that's okay. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. It's slightly tedious and painstaking to do that stamp, but I'm going to give it a go and hopefully it will look cute. So enjoy.